Mini's remote start prepares the cabin to your comfort zone, so it's ready when you are, every time. It's the ultimate comfort move. Since remote start is turned off by default, you'll just need to activate it first. Open Climate Settings, then Settings. Select Preconditioning, and then turn on Remote Engine Start. Once that's done, press the lock button 3 times on your key fob, and voila! Your Mini starts itself. You can also access preconditioning through the Mini app. Just make sure to follow your local anti-idling laws so you stay on the good side of both the neighbors and the planet. And that's it. No icy steering wheel, no sticky seats. Just step in, start your day, and enjoy the ride. Ready for more? The next how-to has even more to discover.